What's up? Today we're going to do a unboxing of the SIG P322. All right, here we go. We got our owner's manual, sticker. They come with a flat trigger, or a flat face trigger, as I was corrected by a commenter. And they have a curved trigger. We're not going to use that, so we're going to keep that in the box. 200 round ammo package. So when I join USCC, don't mind about that. All right, and that's out of there. Comes with a Allen wrench to change out the trigger. Now, I've already been in this, and I've already taken out the thread protector and added the threaded extension on this because I'm going to be shooting suppressed. So no need me having this on there. It does come with two 20 round magazines. They are polymer magazines, but so are the magazines for the Taurus. Comes with a loader. It's a 4-inch barrel. I imagine with this it adds an extra ½ inch with the extension on it. It has too bright fiber optic sights, which are nice. It is ambi with the safety, ambi with the slide release, which is a nice addition here for you, especially for someone like me that's left-handed. There you go. Give you kind of a good look here. Full Picatinny rail. Very nice. It has this little chamber flag that they recommend you use when you're dry firing it, so it just fits in here and keeps you from banging the firing pin on the barrel. And then there's your obligatory lock that every pistol, depending on the state you live in, must have. So it's there, it'll stay there. It is what it is. All right, let's take this bad boy out to the range and see if we get a better performance than we did with the Taurus in the beginning. Taurus did kind of come along after a little bit. It took me about 300 rounds to get that thing straight. Let's see if this P322 doesn't have the same issues as the Taurus. See you on the range. This will be the first shots with the SIG P322. Let's see if she actually runs in the first mag. First shot. All right, here we go. Back on it. Let's see. All right, first shot was I guess we'll attribute that to the breaking in, but it ran after that. Let's put a suppressor on it and see how it does. All right, SIG P322 suppressed with the Yankee Hill Phantom 2. Let's see if this will run. I'm just shooting general CCI ammo. All right, so let's do it off the steel. All right. Not bad. So the problem is I shoot it on steel and people bitch about me shooting it on steel because you can't hear the suppressor. Then if I shoot it off steel, people say I can't hit shit. So I did a little bit of both to please whoever has some kind of snarky comment. You know what I'm saying?